Good morning children. Welcome back to our math session. Today's topic is pie chart of chapter 5 data handling. So let me start. A pie chart is a type of graph that represents the data in the circular graph. A pie chart requires a list of categorical variables and the numerical variables. Here the term pie represents the whole and the slices represents the parts of the whole. In this article, we will discuss the definition of pie chart, its formula, and one example also we are discussing. Okay, so let me start. What is a pie chart? The pie chart is also known as circle chart that divides the circular statistical graphic into sectors or slices in order to illustrate the numerical problems. Each sector denotes a proportionate part of the whole. To find out the composition of something, pie chart works the best at that time. In most of the cases, pie chart replace some other graphs like the bar graph, line plots, histogram, etc. Now let me see the formula of pie chart. The pie chart is an important type of data representation. It contains different segments and sectors in which each segment and sectors of a pie chart forms a certain portion of the total, that is percentage. The total of all the data is equal to 360 degree. The total value of the pie is always 100 percentage. To work out with the percentage for a pie chart, we have to know some steps. That is, categorize the data, calculate the total, divide the categories, convert into percentage, finally calculate the degrees. Therefore, pie chart formula is given data divided by total value of data into 360. That is called the formula of pie chart. Clear? Now let's see one example of pie chart. Okay. Imagine a teacher surveys her class on the basis of their favorite sports. And she got the data like this. Football liked by 10 students, hockey by 5, cricket by 5, basketball by 10, badminton by 10. The data above can be represented by a pie chart as following and by using the circle graph formula, that is the pie chart formula given below. It makes the size of portion easy to understand. Okay. So the first step is enter the data into the table. Whatever we have written in the question, same way. Means first column you can write the favorite sports and down number of children liked the sports like as football 10, hockey 5, cricket 5, basketball 10 and badminton 10. And second step is add all the values in the table to get the total. That is total students are 40 in this case. Isn't it? 10 plus 5 plus 5 plus 10 plus 10, that is equal to 40. Now step 3, divide each value by the total and multiply by 100 to get a percent. Means convert this value into percentage. So for that we have to find out the percentage. How could we find the percentage? We know that the number divided by total into 100. So that is first in case of football 10 upon 40 into 100, that is 25 percentage. In the case of hockey 5 upon 40 into 100, that is 12.5 percentage. Cricket 5 upon 40 into 100, that is also 12.5 percentage. Same way basketball and badminton each are 10 upon 40 into 100, that is equal to 25 percentage. Isn't it? Now let's see the step 4. Fourth step is to know how many degrees for each pie sector we need. We will take a full circle of 360 degree and follow the calculations below. The central angle of each component is equal to value of each component divided by sum of value of all the components into 360 degree. Here, value of each component means the students liked the sports. That is, for example, football 10, hockey 5, cricket 5, basketball 10, and badminton 10. Sum of values of all the components means the total number of students in the class. That is 40. So the central angle of football, that is 10 upon 40 into 360 is equal to 90 degree. Hockey 5 upon 40 into 360, 45 degree. Cricket also same 45 degree. Basketball and badminton both are 10 upon 40 into 360, that is equal to 90 degree each. So we got the central angle of each sports, that is football 90 degree, hockey 45, cricket 45, basketball and badminton 90 degree each. Now we can draw a pie chart. Now let's see the pie chart. Draw a circle and use the protractor to measure the degree of each sector. Okay. First draw a 360 degree means a circle with the help of protractor. And here you can see that football, basketball and badminton, all three are 90 degree each. So in blue, red and green color is showing football, basketball and badminton. That is 90 degree each. Then hockey and cricket, violet and yellow color, that is 45 degree each. Or the name of the pie chart is favorite sports percentage. And in the side also we show the icon of the color blue football, red basketball, green badminton, violet hockey and yellow cricket. Okay. So this is our pie chart. Clear? Now let's see, try these questions of page number 78. Okay. The first question is, each of the following pie chart gives you a different piece of information about your class. Find the fraction of the circle representing each of these information. So first pie chart is given upside 50%, that is girls, down boys 50%. Girls or boys. Then second one is transport to school, that is given 40% walk, 40% bus or car, 20% cycle. And third one is love or hate mathematics. How many children are like mathematics? How many are dislike? Here 15% hate mathematics and remaining love mathematics. Okay. So now let's see the answer. Means a proportion of each sector. First, girls 50 upon 100, that is equal to 1 upon 2. Same way boys 50 upon 100 is equal to 1 upon 2. Second one, walk, that is 40%. 40 upon 100 is equal to 2 upon 5. Again, bus or car, that is also 40%. 40 upon 100 is equal to 2 upon 5. Now, cycle, that is 20%. 20 upon 100 is equal to 1 upon 5. Now, proportion of children hate mathematics, that is 15 upon 100 is equal to 3 upon 20. And liking mathematics, that percentage is not given, but we know that 100 minus 15, that is 85%. So 85 upon 100 is equal to 17 upon 20. So this is the proportion of the pie chart. Clear? Now the second question is, answer the following questions based on the pie chart given below. The pie chart representing viewers watching different types of channels on TV. Okay, so here you can see that 50% are watching entertainment program and informative 10%, news 15% and sports 25%. Now let's see the questions. First question is, which type of programs are viewed the most? Which type is viewing most? Most of the people are watching entertainment programs, isn't it? So the answer is entertainment programs are viewed the most. Now second question is, which two types of programs have number of viewers equal to those watching sports channel? Sports channel is 25%. So here we can see that news plus informative, that is 15 plus 10 is equal to 25. So the answer is news and information types of programs have number of viewers equal to those watching sports channels. Okay. Next, try this question of page number 81. Draw a pie chart of the data given below. The time spent by a child during a day, that is the data. Sleeping time 8 hours, school timing 6 hours, homework 4 hours, play 4 hours, and others 2 hours. Okay. So for that, first what we have to do, we have to make a central angle. Then only we can draw a pie chart, isn't it? So for that, draw a table and in first column write item, second column hours, and third we can do together in fraction into 360. We will get the central angle, isn't it? So first one is sleep, that is 8 hours. Fraction means total. Total how much hours are there? We know that one day means 24 hours. So 8 upon 24. That is 1 upon 3 into 360. That is equal to 120 degree. School 6. 6 upon 24 into 360. Yeah, 1 upon 4 into 360. That is equal to 90 degree. Homework 4 hours. 4 upon 24. 4 upon 24 into 160, yeah, 360, yeah, you can write 1 upon 6 into 360, that is equal to 60 degree. Play 4 upon 24, that is 1 upon 6. Yeah, 1 upon 6 into 360, yeah, 4 upon 24 into 360, that is equal to 60 degree. Now others 2, 2 upon 24 into 360, that is equal to 30 degree. So we got the angles are sleep 120 degree, school 90 degree, homework 60 degree, play 60 degree, and others 30 degree. Now you can draw the pie chart. First draw a circle and divide into portion. First you can draw 120 degree, that is for sleep. And then after that 60 each their homework and play, that is 60 each, isn't it? And 90 degree, that is a school, and the lesser, that is 30 degree for others. So this is the pie chart. Okay, draw it neatly. So here we are winding up this session. You have to note down all, try these questions in your notebook, and definition of pie chart with example. Okay, so thank you.